This is Game 5 of the Western Conference quarterfinal.
Time to crank up the pressure even more between the Nashville Predators and the Colorado Avalanche. Ryan Johansson passed across, centered. Arvidsson scoops up the loose puck, and this time they've got it offside. Colorado has it. Philippe Forsberg shoves Wilson. Arvidsson gets hold of the puck. Wrist shot. Winnie gets a leg on it.
Perfect pad save.
Delayed penalty coming up. Graves gets muscled off the puck. Colorado grabbed it. Nichushkin, backhanded shot. Ryan Johansson will go to the box for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
Colorado could make some noise now.
Playing on the power play gives them a few more options. Look for them to play very aggressive.
Makar takes control of the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Makar with a wrist shot. Winnie made the pad save.
No deal on that last.
McKinnon scores! That's a power play goal.
The goalie was able to make the first stop, but nothing was going to deny that second attempt.
A quick goal like that can really take the wind out of your sails.
It definitely makes you sit up and take notice. Is it just a fluke, or is something really wrong out there?
Moved across. Offside, Nashville. The faceoff goes to Nashville. Juris gets the loose puck. He dumps it. Simpsons has it now. Grimaldi.
He scores! So many players love to send it high. And why not? It's a great way to score. Great goal on the backhand. That's not easy.
Many say the backhand is the toughest save in hockey. The goalie has no clue where it's going, and many times neither does the shooter. The Predators dump the puck in. Simpsons scooped it up.
And by number 10.
Grimaldi gets hit, advances the puck. Burakovsky jumps on the loose puck. Hughes touches up for icing. The faceoff goes to the Predators. Forsberg, weak shot. Nieto moved ahead. Nieto gets laid out. Ellis scoops up the loose puck. Philippe Forsberg. Ellis grabbed it. Fires it. Winnie stabbed at it. Delayed call. Burakovsky takes control of the puck. There's going to be a penalty. Ellis is going off for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Nashville finds themselves down a man.
I've got a feeling the next few minutes will show what this team is really made of.
McKinnon with the puck. Ekholm intercepts the pass. Johnson jumps on the loose puck. Ryan Johansson gets pushed. Johnson grabs the puck. Makar now with it. McKinnon gets a hold of it. Brown scores on the power play.
You've got to take advantage of your power play opportunities to be successful. They did just that.
Now they trail by one here in the first.
They need to get the momentum back quickly. Otherwise, the lead could snowball.
Essendon, assisted by number 29, Nathan McKinnon.
Graves steals the pass. He gets hold of the puck. Ekholm gets checked.
He stepped into his man perfectly.
Quick pass up. Played up. Out of their defensive end. Moved up. Wilson rips it. He's with the puck. Cockrick. He gets shoved.
That was a good hit.
Donskoy gets bumped off the puck. Nashville finds it. Benamor scooped up by Colorado. Cranks it. Ekholm stops the shot. Forsberg with the puck. Colorado puts its scoring line out. Bonino dumps the puck in. Colorado in control now. Colorado beats out the icing call. Linderskog. Rantanen gets it. Quick shot. Josi gets in the way. Bonino gets the loose puck. Turris. Breakaway. Sissons takes control of the puck. Out over the blue line. Wilson. Shoots. Nichushkin with the puck. Rini hangs on for the whistle. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Harper jumps on the loose puck. Sotherov. Grabbed by Nashville. Grundlund gets checked. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Bonino gets hold of the puck. He pushes Burakovsky. Passed ahead. The Predators dump the puck in. Grundlund scooped it up. Hamhuis gets checked. He grabs the puck. Ekholm. Cole picks it up. Namestnikov got it. In all alone. Niemto. Wrist shot. Namestnikov grabs the puck. Wrist shot from the left. Smith got it. Niemto checks him. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Grundlund with a wrist shot. He takes control of the puck. He turns it over.
This year's Hockey Fights Cancer Charity Drive raised over $200,000, a new record. Thank you for your generosity.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back.
We've got a close game brewing, so it should be a good one.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. McKinnon gets checked. Played up. Rantanen gets the loose puck. Rantanen. Johansson takes it. Ellis.
Line 3!
Josi jumps on the loose puck. Over the line. In the corner. Ellis gets shoved. Moved across. Centers it. Nichushkin has a breakaway. Moved ahead. He jumps on the loose puck. Turris. Sissons has it. Nashville puts its second line out. He dumps the puck in. Girard. Ahead to the neutral zone. Nichushkin. Josi with the puck. Hamhuis steals the puck. Josi now with it. In over the line. In the corner. Craig Smith. Burakovsky takes control of the puck.
Line 1!
Shoots it. Sotherov stops the shot. Brings it behind his net. Moved up. Yarncroft gets rubbed off the puck. Nashville gobbles it up. He gets pushed.
Bracing himself didn't help.
Harper. Up along the boards. Arvidsson gets hold of the puck. Nichushkin jumped on by Nashville. Over the line. Ellis backhands it. Franzus stabs at it. Brings it out.
Line 2!
Wrist shot. He scores off the post.
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
The goalie will be seeing that one in his nightmares. Colorado now leads by 2 goals in the second.
The trick is to keep things rolling. It's really easy to lay back and take a shift off.
McKinnon scores!
As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. Namestnikov finds the loose puck. Delayed call coming up. Sissons gets called for hooking.
Nico Rantanen.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. and that means 2 minutes in the box.
Colorado sees their chance with this power play.
And this is as good a chance in this game as they're likely to get.
The Predators come to Shane. Scores! Short-handed, they score.
He faked the goalie on that one, no doubt about it. They were supposed to be on the defensive, but he decided the best defense was a good offense. Great short-handed goal.
Across, passed across. Quick pass up.
Matt Duchesne.
Juris gets pushed off the puck. Johnson. Along the boards. Backhand shot. Winnie stoned him. McKinnon gets the shot off. Langerskog jumps on the loose puck. Johansson stands up, Zadorov. Moved up. Burakovsky cranked it, scores! That's a power play goal.
He hammered home that slap shot. What a blast.
This could be downright scary for a goalie when a guy can let it loose with that kind of velocity. Passed across. Juris.
Play by number 95. Burakovsky, assisted by number 96.
Nichushkin passed ahead.
Number 16.
Juris had the puck. Grimaldi corrals it. Door slammed shut by Franzus. Quick pass up. That's icing. The ref is ready to drop the puck. The face-off goes to the Predators. Shoots quickly. Forsberg gets in the way. Johansson takes control of the puck. Namestnikov. Colorado gets a hold of it. Offside. The action's about to start. The face-off goes to the Avalanche. McKinnon gets checked. Shoots it quickly. Rini hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. The face-off goes to Colorado. The net comes loose and play is stopped. The puck is about to be dropped. Nieto with the puck. Bonino gets crushed. Jankroff jumps on the loose puck. Grundlund now has it. Working along the perimeter. Franzus gets a leg on it.
Pad save, nicely done.
Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Out over the blue line. Namestnikov dumps the puck in. Arvidsson. Colorado takes over. Namestnikov. Donskoy has it now. He's got a breakaway. Ahead to the neutral zone.
Line 4, you're up.
Brian Johansson dumps the puck in. Colorado with it now.
Line 1.
Ellis. Grimaldi. With a wrist shot. Makar stops the shot. Moved up. Moved ahead. Juris finds the loose puck. Colorado puts its second line out. Ekholm takes possession of the puck. Watson. Zadorov pushes him. Watson scoops up the loose puck. Langerskog gets pushed.
Line 3, get up there.
Great heads-up play by the defender.
Watson.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Icing is called against Colorado. How about that last save? On a backhander, no less.
Great anticipation.
They're getting ready for the faceoff. Johansson wins the draw. Yossi, quick shot. Out over the blue line. Wilson knocks the puck loose. Turned over in the neutral zone. And the second period draws to a close. The Predators really need to kickstart their offense.
Rebounds, tip-ins, garbage goals, anything. Just get it on net.
We're just about to start the third period.
Now that next goal could either open things up or shut things down completely.
Across, moved across, quick pass up. Grundland shoots the puck. Franzus made the save.
Great save with the glove hand.
Colorado dumps the puck in.
Line one.
Bonino, he got it. The Predators dump it. Cockrick has it now. Brings it out. Advances the puck. Moved up. Ekholm takes control of the puck. Over the blue line. Johnson finds the loose puck. Grimaldi. He gets a hold of it. Fires! Turned aside by Franzus. Moved back. Quick pass up. Grimaldi jumps on the loose puck. Nashville puts its scoring line out. Played up. Rantanen is in the clear. Shoots! Icing against Colorado. Yossi takes control of the puck. Nieto. Girard now with it. Yossi grabbed it. Arvidsson. Ryan Johansson corrals it. Scooped up by Colorado. Girard moved it. Youngcroft drops him. Graves gets the loose puck. And out they come with the puck. Nieto with the puck. Colorado puts its scoring line out. Craig Smith finds the loose puck. Grundland. Nashville finds it. That's offside. Nashville is taking advantage of face-off situations.
Now this has helped them control the tempo. The results on the scoreboard speak for themselves.
Corralled by Colorado out of their defensive end. Cole gets hold of the puck.
Line four.
Burakovsky gets shoved. Forsberg with the puck. That's offside. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Ekholm. Simpsons. Colorado scoops it up. McKinnon. The Avalanche come in offside. We're ready for the faceoff. Colorado scooped it up. Ahead to the neutral zone. Youngcroft grabs the puck. Nashville needs to be making a line change soon. Grundland, wrist shot. Namestnikov gets the loose puck. Rinne has faced a ton of shots in this game.
He's a big reason this team is playing as well as they are.
Nieto dumps the puck in. Colorado takes possession. Grimaldi rocks Girard. Colorado puts its second line out.
Line one.
Turris gets hold of the puck. Donskoy gets rocked. Grimaldi with the puck. Arvidsson. Nashville got it. Cockrick brings it up. Grimaldi blasts Cole. McKinnon jumps on the loose puck. Ryan Johansson shoves him. Forsberg gets the loose puck. Forsberg. He dumps it in. Hamhuis grabs it.
Line four.
Craig Smith. He's done an outstanding job in the net.
When your goalie plays the way he has, it gives the whole team a boost of confidence.
Franzus freezes the puck. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Fognino won the faceoff. Nieto gives him the business. Benamor picks up the puck from Franzus. Namestnikov dumped it in. Rini hangs on for the whistle. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Rantanen with the puck. Juris pushes Makar. Makar shoots quickly. Johnson jumps on the loose puck. Juris. Simpsons grabbed it. Colorado gets a hold of it. Rantanen. Ekholm picked it up. Simpsons gets pushed. The ref indicates a delayed call. McKinnon will go to the box for hooking. Colorado drew the penalty and will have to play shorthanded.
That means playing smart positional hockey on offense and scrambling on defense. It'll be a tough few minutes.
Let's see what happens. Out over the blue line. Let's call this one complete. Nashville has lost what turned out to be a very one-sided series.
It was an uphill battle from the beginning. And in the end, it was just too much for them to overcome.
Tonight's third star, Colorado number 96, Mikko Rantanen. Tonight's second star for Colorado number 8, Cale Makar.
From Denver, Colorado, I'm Jim Hewson.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.